Alright, today I'm going to be taking apart this LG K20 Plus. I'm going to show you how to replace the camera. In further videos, I will be showing you how to replace other parts. So first, we need to take this back panel off, like that. Also, we need to turn it all the way off. Now it is powering off. Then take out the battery. Now we need to take every screw on this border line out. Start right here. You need a small Phillips head screwdriver. Start unscrewing them. I recommend using the back panel to put your screws in. Just don't knock it over or anything, or you will lose them all. Just keep taking out all the screws. Should be only 2 more left. Get the one right over the fingerprint sensor. Get these 2 in the corner. Now what you need to do is separate this panel from this glass panel by putting your fingernail right into here and just start separating it. Push on this battery compartment right here. It may take a little bit of pressure, but you'll get there. Just start pulling it apart like this. Try not to break it. Try not to separate the screen as well. Mine's coming off because I've replaced it before. The adhesive isn't very strong. It'll take some time. You'll just have to work it way out. There we go. It's coming. There we go. Now, we will need to remove all these little clasps. Well, I'm just doing the camera this one, so there you go. Now you would just take that out and put your new one in. Line it up. And there you go. And now I put it back from here, together from here. In further videos, I will be going further. Just to go around around all these edges with the same frame, or your new frame if you have one. Make sure it clicks all around. Make sure to snap these places on the back in. Sometimes they come undone. There you go. Now you will need to take these back screws and put them back in. Just drop it in the little hole. Can be difficult. They are very small screws. There we go. Now I won't be tightening very tight because I have to reopen it soon. But yeah. Just screw them in. Now in earlier disassemblies I have lost these screws, but that doesn't really matter as long as you get the majority of them in. Just keep putting them all around the edge. Sorry, I had to stop the recording there for a second. I should only have one more after this. I'm going to put the last one right up in this corner, just to secure one side of the corners of the phone. Now we will put the battery back in. Make sure it's well in. Put the back panel on. And hold. There we go. Hope you enjoyed.